Morning! How is everyone doing today? It is Tuesday. Weather's looking a bit different than yesterday. It's rather dull. A little chilly this morning too. Oh, it looks like we could be in for some rain. But yeah, as always, you know guys, what time it is surely.
No.
Schoolroom time. Liam's favourite. School.
No.
Don't lie, Liam, you do well at school.
I don't.
They're all ready to go, look. Morning. You alright? You ready for it?
What?
What about you, Shirley? Don't you? Well, all together after the Easter holidays, you've only got about in days about I don't know 14 days at school.
Good. This is 2 weeks. I can't look because that light's gonna make my eyes.
Right, Lace.
She's just being dramatic.
How are you?
I can't look at the light.
You alright? Right. Where's Wop? Is there?
Daddy,
There's
Daddy.
Mike. Woo! Right, well, go and get this Tuesday morning school run done. Pick Rach up, and then the next time you'll see me, it'll probably be about, I don't know, gone 11. We're finally getting to Rachel's mum's this morning, so she's been wanting to go for a while, but obviously last week she was messed about with work and whatnot, so yeah, we're going there this morning. Time to go, Lace. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Have a good one. Take care. Peace. Morning guys, we are back. See, it's just like a blink of an eyelid for you guys, and here I am. Yes, it is cold. It's chilly this morning, guys. Heating's gonna have to go on. Can't get washing out, waning on and off, innit? But yeah, we've been to see Rachel's mum. Oh, excuse me. Oh, so we're going to get sorted now, and Lacey's going to kindly make me a latte and hoover up. Oh, beautiful. Another hour. Right, should we have to work? See you later, Duck. It's going to get wet, look. Absolutely ashing it down. Yes, we're going.
Yes, it does.
Lacey's got some. It's not going to set fire because I've turned it down. Lacey's got some lunch cooking. And just took Rach to work. Yeah. And it's horrible out there. Yes, I'm coming.
I'll drive yourself in a minute.
Like to see you try. You'll crash. See? I know what I'm doing. Didn't burn, did it?
No.
I turned it down and it turned itself off anyway.
Then.
Good.
Happy.
Give me a chance to say good afternoon.
Oh, sorry.
Hello.
I'm waiting for you to say good afternoon now.
Hello.
Hello. Say good afternoon now.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning for tomorrow.
Good morning for today.
Hello.
Hello.
How was your day?
Boring.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I had PE.
Oh, outside.
Yeah,
Oh.
football, but it was good.
I bet your stuff's dirty then. Yeah. So you enjoyed PE for a change?
For once.
What was you doing? Football?
Better than rugby.
Did you score? Did you? What, you scored a goal?
It's surprising, I know.
Well, I didn't say anything. I'm asking.
You're right. You're right to tell the story.
No, did you not?
I did.
You're putting words in my mouth.
No.
Or should I say you're putting them in my eyes? No way was I. What?
You look surprised.
All right, then, was it a fluke?
I don't know.
Did it bounce off you?
No. I got the touch, then I kicked it a bit, and then I kicked it again. And it went
Did they go,
in.
yes, Liam?
No.
Huh.
No one celebrated.
No one celebrated.
No, they did. But not like that. No.
What are you laughing at? Oh my God.
We're not looking in 1900.
What was the score?
It's 3-2 to my team. I scored one of them.
Did you
goals.
score the winning goal?
No, the second goal.
So, was you just stood in the right place? Or? No, it's not that. I'm not saying that you're good. It's just that normally you say you don't like football.
I've got to go.
He needs a toilet.
Oh, you better not go upstairs because I'm a foot back.
I'm up upstairs.
Oh well, I don't know, Shirley. Do you? What do you say about it? Oh, night, mate. How are you? Good. Well, how was your day?
Boring.
No, I don't.
Don't even ask me. I don't like Tuesdays. I'm
I
just
know you
boring,
don't.
innit?
What's that? Have you had a bad day, good
no,
day?
it's all right, but I mean, like Tuesday's bad lessons.
Oh. How are you and yourself?
My head keeps going funny. Feels funny.
Nearly half term now.
Good. And then no school for a few weeks, 2 weeks.
And then when you go back,
Not long, and then
you've only got about 4 weeks at school.
and then
And then you're on study leave.
good. Bye.
And then you only go back for exams. You don't have to do study leave, do you? You can go into school.
Well, I'm doing study leave. You think I'm going to stay there with a load of people I don't like?
Well, at least you can study better at home than there.
And I can concentrate better.
Yeah.
And you'll probably be a better teacher than
Well,
them,
no,
won't you?
I will leave you to it.
Yeah, I know, but like
If you need help,
you
yeah.
explain it more than they do.
Yeah, if you need
'Cause
help,
they just
yeah.
sit there on their asses.
Well, there we have
Also
it.
need
Now then, is this one going to speak today or not?
me.
What? I'm talking to Chloe.
No, I was talking to Lacey.
Oh, sorry. Are you going to talk to me today? You don't really talk on the vlog anymore, do you? Hey? Still raining on and off. I tell you what, it's quite chilly in the breeze today. It's like it's like a winter chill, isn't it? So very breezy. Oh, I didn't put them back down after I cut the lawn last time, but
It looks a bit long.
yeah, it is long, isn't it? It's cutting again. The garden looks a right mess. It's sorting out. Oh well. Just started some washing out. Well, Rachel washed it. I've been drying it. Some other clothes that she dried I've just folded up and put on top of the tumble dryer there to sort out. Got kiddos tea on. I've got two that's having them Greg's frozen pasties from Iceland with wedges, and the other two with pizza and wedges. And then when Rachel comes home, because the others didn't want pizza, two of them didn't want pizza, me and Rachel are going to share that when she gets here. I don't feel like I've really vlogged much today, but I've done well. I've edited yesterday's vlog, and that is uploaded for memberships at the moment, which will be uploaded for everyone to see later on, so that's good. I've got my butt in gear, you know, and because as of late I've put my hands up. I've had like the YouTube burnout, health anxiety and all that lot, and just haven't been with it, and getting behind with comments, videos, all sorts, and I feel bad. Because even though it's up to me when I upload and whatnot, when you build a community up, you feel like you're letting people down, especially those that are members, you know. Because no one has to become a member, but if people are members and, you know, paying towards something, you should be there for them. And it hasn't been, and I felt bad about that, so I do apologise. I know you get trolls in the comments now saying, oh, I can't believe you're taking money off people, etc. like that. No one's forced to. I just want to put that out there. It's the vlog.
You sound like you're talking to
I am talking to myself, sort of. We've had this conversation before, Lacey. But yeah, it's just there because there has been people in the past that has asked. So that's what it's there for. Never feel like you have to. They'll always be free. Like I said, always go up for members first, and then up for everyone else a few hours later, so don't panic. But yeah, I just wanted to put that out there because I've just not been, you know, I admit I haven't. I've been, you know, we all get like that from time to time, don't we? Anyway, I'll get these kids' tea on. By the time I've done that and I've eaten and I've washed up, it'll be time to go and get our rich. Alright, all had baths as well, apart from Liam. Girls take too long, don't they, mate? Evening all. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're having a great, what day is it? Tuesday. We've sent the kids to bed. Well, sent in the process. We've told them a while ago that they're still up and down, in and out the kitchen. Because me and Rach want to watch this in peace. The Bay, because we haven't watched it from last... When's the other one? Tomorrow. Yeah. This is last week's. So, we've just not been in the mood to watch it. Well, we have, but we knew we'd go to sleep. If we go to bed, Rach will be asleep. So we said we'll watch it down here. So we're going to catch up with that. And chill out. Have some snacks. It's going to be naughty. Have some of these. Rach said they're quite...
We've got a kit.
Got a kit to them. And then we've got some fake peanut M&Ms. I'll say fake from Aldi, but they're alright. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I can still hear Lacey, can you? Takes him an hour to get up there. Right, gonna go and watch this. I very much enjoyed the bay. Does any of you guys watch it? If you do, let us know down below who you think has done it. Who's done it? Who do you think? I'm not so sure. Night, Lacey. Night, Chloe. Night, safe. Love you. I know you won't look because of the light. Ah,
I've got a guess.
I'll see you. Good night.
No,
Love you.
love you.
That's it then. Another day done, son. I'm off to bed. Getting that horrible bed. I reckon that's given me bad backs and that, you know. Tell you why. The reason thinking behind it. Someone said in the comments about a bed can do it. I've had that bed a long time, but Rachel also gets a bit of a bad back just lately at the side. So maybe it is to do with bad back. Talking about my back, I can still sort of feel it, but definitely not as bad as it was. But I said to my mum, if I stand in a certain position, like straight up, I get like this pain that goes like the bottom of my spine straight into my bum, you know. So, and that's like sciatica, isn't it? So I don't know. But at the side of my back and that feels all right again now since I started using that Voltarol. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm going. You guys take care and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.